Today's topic is futures. A future is a delayed computation that can be completed either with a value or with an error. Here, get user data from server sends a request to fetch some data. The direct execution model doesn't allow us just to sit and wait for the data to appear, as we can do, for example, in Java. In Dart, we have to attach a callback to the future, so when it gets resolved, we will be notified, and it can be done as follows. We can make it a little bit prettier. Now let's execute a series of steps. In opposite to jQuery deferreds, Dart futures are immutable, so calling them doesn't modify the future, but creates a new one. In this particular example, the chain of calls will create 3 futures. You can also provide a function that will be called when a future completes with an error. Attaching multiple error handlers is done as follows. Sometimes we want a function to be called where the future succeeds or fails. We can do it like this. As you can see, it's analogous to using try, catch and finally. Now let's look at how we can mix synchronous and asynchronous computations. Here is one way to do it. Although this approach works, it has a few problems. First of all, the order of the operations is reversed. I am sanitizing params first before sending them to the server, but it's not how it reads. And second, send params can raise an exception if sanitized params dies, or it can return a future with an error. We need to fix it. Send params shouldn't raise an exception, it should always return a future. Let's see if we can do that. Future.value makes a given value available in the next event loop iteration. If sanitized params throws, the exception will be caught and the future will be completed with an error. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.